My name is Alex Howells and I'm the Chief Executive of Health, Education and Improvement Wales. Today is the United Nations International Day of Persons with Disability and the beginning of the #Purple Light Up campaign, which promotes and maximises the opportunities available to build a better workplace and working world for disabled employees. We recognise that disabled people are a hugely diverse group of individuals with amazing skills and experience. And here at HEIW, through the Disability Confidence Scheme, we are working hard to create a workforce that not only reflects our diverse audiences, but brings together a range of abilities and skills to the business. So we have already achieved the Disability Confident Employer, but we want to do better, and that is why we are making our commitment to becoming a Disability Confident Leader. To support this commitment, we continue to make steps to increase the accessibility of our services, starting with some changes to our building. We are going to be inserting hearing loops into our reception area, and we'll have loops installed into 5 of our meeting rooms by the end of December. We're installing braille on signage within the building and the lifts, installing contrasting painting to support individuals who are visually impaired, upgrading our fire alarm to emit visual as well as audible signalling, and upgrading our level signage within the stairwells to be inclusive of braille in order to ensure that people can get around the building safely. We're installing clear signage to show that we have accessible parking available too. As well as changes to the building, we are working alongside the Shaw Trust to conduct an accessibility audit of our Gwella leadership portal, and we have trained 32 staff across the organisation on web accessibility. We've also created accessibility statements across all HEIW websites and platforms, and we plan on creating an accessibility webpage to support staff with the development of digital materials, particularly around the importance of digital accessibility for people with both hidden and unhidden disabilities. And in addition to this, we need to consider how we promote this agenda through the vast range of education and training, commissioning and delivery that we're responsible for. So this Disability History Month, please keep an eye on our social media for more information on the work we are doing to become a disability confident leader, including personal blogs from staff about their own lived experience of disability. Thank you very much.